When your brakes start talking, you should probably listen. Grinding, squeaking, soft pedal, those little warning signs turn into big repair bills if you ignore them. At Pyle Automotive, we do full brake inspections, pad and rotor replacements, and systems diagnostics to make sure you can stop when it counts. Our techs don't guess. They measure, test, and show you exactly what's happening with your vehicle so you know you're getting the right fix, not the expensive one. If your brakes feel off, don't wait. Bring it to Pyle Automotive and drive with confidence again.